the normal at bt1 square comma 2bt1 on a parabola again in the point bt2 square comma 2bt2, then the condition is the given parabola is y square is equal to 4bx. Now this is symmetric about positive of x axis. One of the parabola, one of the point a bt1 square comma 2bt1 and another point on the parabola is bt2 square comma 2bt2. This is the tangent. Applying derivative on both sides, 2y into dy by dx is equal to 4b. So dy by dx is equal to 2b by y is the given point, and the slope at a is dy by dx at a is equal to 2b by 2bt1, that is equal to 1 by t1. Say it is m1, slope of the tangent. Now slope of AB is equal to 2b into t1 minus t2 by b into t1 square minus t2 square, t2 t1 square into t1 plus t2. Both are cancelled, bb cancel. Now that is 2 by t1 plus t2, that is m2. This is tangent to the slope of the tangent. This is slope of the normal. So t1 into t2 is equal, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So that implies 1 by t1 into 2 by t1 plus t2 is equal to minus 1. Now this can be written as 2 by t1 is equal to minus t1 minus t2. So therefore minus t2 is equal to t1 plus 2 by t1, which is a required condition. Minus t2 is equal to t1 plus 2 by t1, which is a required condition. Question number 5. From a point c comma 0, 3 normals drawn to the parabola y square is equal to x. Then the equation of the normal to y square is equal to x is y is equal to mx minus m by 2 minus m cube by 4 passes through a point c comma 0, that implies 0 is equal to mc minus m by 2 minus m cube by 4. So that implies c minus 1 by 2 minus m square by 4 is equal to 0. Now c minus 1 by 2 is equal to m square by 4. This is always positive. So c minus 1 by 2 is always greater than 0. So c is greater than 1 by 2, which is a required condition. Question number 6. Let x plus y is equal to k be a normal to y square is equal to 12x. If p is the length of perpendicular from focus of parabola on this normal, then 4k minus 2p square is equal to. First of all, we take equation of normal. Equation of normal. 2 y square is equal to 12x, where a is equal to 3. Is y plus xt is equal to 2at plus at cube. So this is y plus xt is equal to 2a means 6t plus 6t cube. Given line, given normal x plus y and y plus x is equal to k. Comparing these two, this is 1 and this is 2. These two are normals, so 1 by 1 is equal to x, t by 1 is equal to 6t plus 6t cube by k. This is a 3. Now t is equal to 1, so that implies k is equal to 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay. Next, P is the perpendicular distance from focus. P is perpendicular distance from focus. Focus is 3, 0. 2 x plus y is equal to k is k is equal to modulus of 3 plus 0 minus k by root of 1 plus 1. So that is root 2p is equal to 3 minus k. We know that the value of k is 9. Root 2p is equal to 6. Now 4k minus 2p square is equal to 4 into k means 9 minus 2 into p square, 2p square. 2p square is equal to 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. So 4k minus 2p square is 0. That is the value. Question number 7. The eccentricity of an ellipse with its center 0, 0 is 1 by 2. If one of the directrix is x is equal to 4, then the equation of the ellipse is given eccentricity E is equal to 1 by 2 and one of the directrix is x is equal to a by e. So given x is equal to 4, that implies a by e is equal to 4. That implies a is equal to 4 into e, 4 into 1 by 2. So a is equal to 2. Now eccentricity b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. We know that our value of a is 4. A square is 4 minus 1 by 4. Now taking b square is equal to 3. Therefore the equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, which is the required ellipse. Question number 8. Equation of ellipse whose axes are axis of coordinates and which passes through the point minus 3, 1 has eccentricity e square is equal to 2 by 3 and the ellipse passes through a point 9 by a square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1. Now we know that e square is equal to a square plus b square by b square. A square minus b square by a square is equal to 2 by 3. Now applying cross multiplication, 3a square minus 3b square is equal to 2a square. So a square is equal to 3b square. Substitute on equation number 1, 9a square, 9 into 3b square plus 1 by b square is equal to 1. 4 by b square is equal to 1. So b square is equal to 4. And then a square is, ellipse is x square by a square means 12 plus y square by b square means 4 is equal to 1.